Have you ever had a gut feeling about something, a hunch that just felt right, or maybe wrong, even if you couldn't explain why? It turns out, that's not just a saying. You literally have a second brain in your stomach, and it's constantly talking to the one in your head. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's 100% real. Deep inside your gut, lining your digestive tract, is something called the enteric nervous system, or ENS for short. This isn't just a few random cells. It's a massive network of over 100 million neurons. To put that into perspective, that's more neurons than you have in your entire spinal cord or your peripheral nervous system. It's so complex and powerful that scientists have officially nicknamed it our second brain. So what does this second brain actually do? Well, its main job is managing the incredibly complex process of digestion. It controls the muscles that move food along, manages secretions, and regulates blood flow without your main brain ever having to think about it. It's an independent operator, handling business on its own. But here's where it gets really mind-blowing. The ENS doesn't just work in isolation. It's connected directly to your brain through a superhighway of nerves, primarily the vagus nerve. This creates a constant, two-way conversation between your gut and your brain. And this conversation influences a lot more than just your digestion. Think about how you feel when you're stressed or anxious. You might get butterflies in your stomach, right? That's your brain sending stress signals down to your gut. But it works the other way too. An unhappy gut can send signals up to your brain that can make you feel anxious, stressed, or even depressed. In fact, about 90% of the signals traveling along the vagus nerve are going from the gut to the brain, not the other way around. Your gut is doing most of the talking. Even more fascinating, your gut produces a huge amount of neurotransmitters, the very same chemicals your brain uses to regulate mood. For example, over 90% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is made in your gut. So, a healthy gut is directly linked to a happy mind. When the balance of good bacteria in your gut is off, it can throw your mood out of whack. This gut-brain connection is also why you might crave certain foods when you're feeling down, or why a good meal can genuinely lift your spirits. It's your two brains working together. So, the next time you have a strong gut feeling about a decision, don't just dismiss it. It's not just a random emotion. It's your second brain, processing information and sending you a very real, very important signal based on its own unique intelligence. Learning to listen to it might be one of the smartest things you can do. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about your own body. See you next time.